Today we are learning BFS. BFS is one of the simplest and most powerful algorithms in computer science. This can be a graph or a tree. Each circle you see is called a node. You can think of a node as a point or location. The lines between them are called edges, and they represent connections or paths between the nodes. Our goal is to start from one node, in this case node A, and explore the rest of the graph, but not randomly. BFS follows a specific and smart order. We begin with node A, that's our starting point. We mark it as visited, which means we have explored it. Now, we look at which nodes are directly connected to A. These are called neighbors. A is connected to B and C, so we prepare to visit them next. And here comes the important part. We don't just jump to any neighbor. Instead, we add these neighbors to a special list called a queue. A queue is a list that follows the rule first in, first out. That means the first node added to the queue will be the first one we explore next. Now we visit B because it was the first added to the queue. We explore it, then check its neighbors. Let's say B is connected to D and E. We add them to the end of the queue. We are slowly expanding our reach, visiting each node's neighbors before moving on. Next in the queue is C. We visit C, explore it, and add its neighbors F and G to the queue. This process continues. We always take the next node from the front of the queue, visit it, and add its unvisited neighbors to the end. Let's break down how BFS works step by step. Pick a starting node, visit that node, and find all nodes directly connected to it. Add those neighbors to the queue, to the end of the queue. Take the first node from the queue, visit it, and repeat the process, adding its neighbors to the queue if they haven't been visited yet. Keep going until you either reach your goal or you have visited every node in the graph. This approach ensures that we visit all the nodes in the right order by distance from the start. Thank you for watching.